Good morning. This is going to be very quick. You know, I appreciate you subscribers. So keep on doing what you're doing. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the G&G family. I'm in a hurry, getting ready to go out with my husband. And so I need to go ahead and get my hair done so I can get in the car and ride, because he's out there already and he can become somewhat impatient. So today I woke up doing some things that I didn't even plan, but God put it on my heart to do, and so I did it. I cleaned out a closet, got rid of some things, got some things in bags to give to my children because they left it here. I have been trying not to throw away things that used to belong to them, but I do know that there are some things that I must let go. I can't hold on to everything. Just like in life, there are some things that will cause us to have cluttered minds and we can't think clearly. We have to learn how to clear those things out. There are things in our home that will cause us to have a cluttered home, and we must learn to clear those things out. And that is my theme for today's video. Get rid of the clutter. Get rid of the clutter. And I thank God that I can easily or somewhat easily get rid of the clutter. Don't hold on to things, because if you hold on to those things will grab a hold of you. Let it go. It's the end of the year, and now it's time to wrap the coins. Because I'm just going to clean out this closet. I don't know what possessed me to try to do this today, but I couldn't pass it by. So I've got a couple of shelves cleaned off, and I realized we just had things in here from the kids and that we would not be using again. So this is going to help. Most of these came out of the closet. I have an idea for another video. A lot of it is garbage, but yeah, you'll see in this same clip in my next video. Maybe not the next video, but one of the videos that I will be creating for Vlogmas. Okay, this is my savings in coins. I just want to thank my wonderful husband for wrapping all of my coins for me. And I've counted $205 in dimes, nickels, and quarters. I really appreciate this. I had a friend on YouTube, and we had a savings challenge. And pretty much this is how, or one of the ways that I decided that I was going to save some money outside of my main savings account, which was in the bank. And because of her, who has now changed her name, she has now changed her name to something else. I want to say thank you for the push and the motivation. Thank you. As I was sitting here waiting for my husband to get back into the car from the bank, I thought about some things that we sometimes hold on to that will cause us to have issues. We hold on to past hurt. We carry that pain with us for so long. I do believe that a lot of times those hurts, pains, situations from the past, they will manifest themselves during the holidays or during birthdays or whatever the date is that is your trigger. And I want you to know, if that is the case with you, I will be praying for you to be able to let go. Because I know letting go is not as easy for some as it is for others. We all deal with situations differently. But I am going to ask you to at least try to let it go. Try to think happy thoughts. Try to remember that God is always with you. Try to remember that you can lean on Jesus and you can give all of your hurts, your challenges, your trials, and tribulations to Him. Read His Word so that you can be fed and be stronger to be able to combat, to deal with the struggles of this world. I forgot to let y'all know that we did go out for lunch. Yeah, country food. Or let's say just soul food. Riding through the garden during the day is nothing like riding through the garden at night, when all of these things are lighted. Last year I came through here, did a little bit of a video. My husband and I are riding along, and he just noticed that gas is $2.88 a gallon. So he decided it's time to top it off, guys. It's time to top it off. We're at the Walmart gas station, $2.88 a gallon. I'm getting a recording of the parking lot, since we expected that there wouldn't be too many people at Walmart in the middle of the day on a weekday. So we'll see when we get inside, because we're at Walmart just picking up a few things that I need. Not Christmas shopping right now. I don't have nothing to put in the kettle. Doing well, and you? Good. What my husband did. It's all wet in here. I said it's all wet. Yeah, that's a good idea. Dry your feet on this rug. Don't look that crowded. Some olive oil, butter, and corn oil. Get a cart anyway. You can get a cart. On the way out. And we did need a cart. Maybe another time I'll come back to TJ Maxx. My husband just received his recliner. I don't know if this is your Christmas present or your birthday present, but it's your present. Okay. Okay. Well, you can slide it forward as far as you need to slide it, so you can lay back as far as you need to. Okay. Who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, and my subscribers. But I especially love God, because He's been so good to me.